If you're starting out in affiliate marketing, this video will certainly be something you want to watch. Affiliate marketing can be quite daunting if you're just starting out and you don't know where to begin. There are loads of videos on YouTube showing you where to find products to promote, but they don't teach you how to promote your product correctly or how you attract visitors to your products. Finding a product to promote is only the tip of the iceberg. Once you've found the right product, then what do? Many people tell you to just post your affiliate link on your social media sites. Now you may get lucky and maybe get a sale or two. But that's not real affiliate marketing. That's simply spamming your link and hoping for the best. Plus, the owners of the product you're promoting won't like this either. So if you're serious about being successful in the affiliate marketing world, I'm going to offer you something you probably won't find anywhere else. I'm going to let you clone my exact affiliate marketing business for free. That's right. You can copy my complete setup, and I'll show you step by step how to do this, and with the same tools I use. I'll show you the product I'm promoting, which earned me over $23,000 last month in commissions. I'll teach you how to set up your landing page and even give you my autoresponder email sequence to use. All you have to do is be able to follow some simple instructions. You'll have a full end-to-end affiliate business set up within a few hours. I've posted the link to my full training in the description below. But let me show you the steps we'll be covering. Okay, so now you will see my page. This is where you will see the complete steps to create your very own affiliate marketing business, where you will be earning some amazing commissions. The first step you will need to complete is to sign up for the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Now, if you've already done this, you can skip this step. This step is required before you can move on, because Legendary Marketer teaches you step by step the foundational skills you need to make your online business succeed. Without taking the challenge, you won't have the required skills you'll need to implement what I'm going to show you next. So, if you haven't already signed up, click the button to get started. Once you've completed the challenge, come back here to continue with step number 2. The next step is to sign up to a platform called GetResponse. This is where I'll show you step by step how to clone my exact funnel pages and email autoresponder sequence. So if you don't sign up to GetResponse, you won't be able to copy my affiliate business. Why I chose GetResponse over ClickFunnels is because GetResponse costs a fraction of the price. Plus, you also get an autoresponder with your subscription. And you'll also get a 30-day free trial through my link. Whereas ClickFunnels only provide the actual sales funnel. I believe the cheapest option with ClickFunnels is around $95 per month. With GetResponse, their initial paid plan is only $13. This saves you money every single month. Plus, with GetResponse, you get unlimited funnels and landing pages, and you can create unlimited autoresponders. So to sign up with GetResponse, click the button and choose the paid plan. You don't need any other expensive plans, as this is the only one we'll need to get started. Once you've signed up, come back here to continue with the next step. Step number 3 is to get a custom domain and email for your business. And don't worry, I've found the cheapest way for you to do this, and this is through Namecheap. I've been using Namecheap for years, and they are the most competitive when it comes to price. Plus, they have a great customer service. And when you click this button, you will also receive a discount. You can get your full package for as little as $9 for a full year. You'll need your own domain to link to your funnel and to use your own email address. Now, one thing I do want to mention is that you must have your own email address. If you try and use a free email like Google Mail and other free ones, when you try and use these in any autoresponder, they will automatically go into your customer's spam folder. So make sure you use an email with your domain name. So once you've purchased your domain and email, come back here to move on to the next step. Okay, this is the fun part. So in step number 4, I will show you how to clone my exact affiliate marketing business. This is over-the-shoulder training where you can follow me step by step and create the same funnel I use, which is earning me over $20,000 a month. I'll show how to create your opt-in page and bridge page, where to place your call to action buttons, and you can even copy my autoresponder sequence. Just click the button where you'd be given my autoresponder emails. I'd even shown you where to place your affiliate links in all of the emails. This tutorial provides you with everything you need to start your very own affiliate business. And the best thing is that you can have this up and running within a couple of hours. You can see from this video, I cover the full end-to-end setup with you. You can pause the video, implement the steps, and continue. Honestly, everything has been covered for you to simply copy. From how to start your first funnel to setting up your pages. This includes how to choose the name for your funnel, and although GetResponse provides ready-made templates for you to use, I'll show you how we create our very own opt-in page and bridge page from scratch. All you have to do is copy my steps. Your opt-in page will look similar to the one shown here. I'll not cover the bridge page in this video due to time, but you'll see how this looks in the full training tutorial. In this next step, I want to cover a very crucial part of the process. This is something most people fail to mention when they are discussing affiliate marketing. Most people will tell you where to find a product to promote, how to set up a landing page, and that's it. Yes, it's great having an amazing product to promote. However, without visitors to your landing page, you'll never make any commissions. So step number 5 is how you can generate traffic to your page. I cover the 2 methods we can use. First, we discussed free traffic, where you can click the button and follow my video tutorial on YouTube. The second option I cover is paid traffic. So when click the button, I'll show you how to find super targeted traffic, which will be directed straight to your page. Step 6 is the final step. These are links to my Facebook group and my YouTube videos. My Facebook group has been created to help you with any questions you have about cloning my business, or if you need any support in general about making money online. You'll also be able to discuss ideas and money-making tips with other affiliate marketers in the community. So if you want to get started and earn a great income online from affiliate marketing, click the link in the description below and follow these simple steps. Please make sure you copy each step in the process, as skipping any of these will only hinder your progress and the setup of your affiliate business. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on my new videos and updates.